Hello guys, this is the first time I'm trying to make a YouTube video, so I hope you all can bear with me for a while. So I bought this Ledger Nano S in 2018 during the big bull cycle, and after a few months I just kept it in my drawer, and then during 2021, early this year, I took it out again. I probably used the Nano S for less than 100 times, I guess, but the screen deteriorated to a point that I couldn't see. Let me show you. So this is what I'm seeing on the screen. You can see I almost see nothing. Okay, so I went to search for the LCD screen replacement, and luckily I'm able to find in China e-commerce website Taobao. The screen itself actually cost me 27 renminbi for two, which is about total up with the shipping cost to Singapore, it is probably causing me less than $8 for two LCD screen. So let me show you how to replace it. First you took out the ring, and then you use a pen knife and then try to slice out from the same ring. You just put it in and try to open a little hole. Then you can use a cut and try to slice it open. Yeah, just use a cut that you don't use anymore. Okay, so they are out. So this is what we see. You just take this out. This is an LCD screen. So this is the package that came today. Yeah, there's two that I bought. Looks exactly the same. I guess. I hope so. Okay, let me remove the protective sheet. So how do we take out this? You just leave the thread here and take this out. Put the new one. Okay, so before I put it back to the casing, let me try. See if it works. Wow, this is just a $10 fix. So how to put it back? You just put it back the same way that you take it out. Thank you.